G'day guys, now I'm going to make some chicken sausage rolls here. Now as you see the ingredients I'm going to put in here, I've got 400 grams of chicken mince. Now I'm going to go in with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I've got a teaspoon there of onion powder. I've got just under half a teaspoon of thyme and about a teaspoon of ground paprika. Now I'm also going to put carrot here as well, shredded carrot, and I'm going to put some spicy barbecue sauce. Now if you find this is a bit too wet, if you do it, just add a bit of breadcrumbs. Now some people put egg in this, but I'm not going to even bother putting egg. Put some breadcrumbs just to dry it up a little bit, and we'll get on to the next step. Okay, just on some puff pastry that I've actually cut in half, as you can see there, down the middle. So I'm going to make these a larger chicken sausage rolls. Now I'm going to put egg wash obviously on the side, so when I roll it up, it sticks together. Pretty basic really. And we'll get on to the egg wash on top of the sausage rolls as well. And here I'm just doing the egg wash on top of the pastry there, just to brown it off a bit more. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds as well. So just a bit of beaten egg, brush it over the top, put some sesame. You can also put cheese on this as well. And there you have it, my friends, golden brown chicken sausage rolls. You can do this with all types of mince. So you've got the good old spicy barbecue sauce there. Now we'll cut this up so you can see inside of it. And I forgot to mention that when you bake these at around 200 C, fan forced, or about 200 C on a fan forced. I think that's about 420 something Fahrenheit, for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown. As you can see, just check on them in the last few minutes. And you can serve it up with different kinds of sauces that you like. It's up to you. It's your choice what sauces to have it with. A spicy sauce goes good with these. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Simple recipe to make. And I'll see you later.